children, welcome to Master Math with Sarika. Today's topic is very interesting because we often get these kind of calendar questions when we give any competitive exams. Let's see the question. If today is Wednesday, then what day it would be after 51 days? Now, we often get confused as to what day it will be after 51 days. Now, after Wednesday, if we keep on counting the days, we cannot count till 51 days. So, there is a simple trick to find the answer to these kind of questions. Let's see that trick. 51 days. So, simply we will do 51 divided by 7. And why are we doing 51 divided by 7? Why not divided by 8 or 9? Because in a week there are 7 days. That is why we are dividing 51 with 7. Let's divide 51 divided by 7. Now 7 times 7 is 49 and 51 minus 49 is 2. So, the remainder is 2. Now, it is saying that today is Wednesday. So, to Wednesday, we will add the remainder 2. So, 2 days after Wednesday is Friday. That means after 51 days, it will be Friday. Let us understand the same concept by taking another example. If today is, say, Friday, then what it would be after, say, 60 days? Again, 60 divided by 7. Do not forget, why are we dividing by 7? Because there are 7 days in a week. Now, let's divide. 60 divided by 7. 7 times 8 is 56 and 60 minus 56 is 4. So, the remainder is 4. So, if today is Friday, add 4 days after Friday. That would be Tuesday. So, if today is Friday, then after 60 days, it would be Tuesday. I hope this calendar question is clear to you. And if you like the video, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any topic in mind which you would like me to explain, then do drop a comment. Thank you.